7, 6. Good luck me. 2,
It's a good game.
1.
You should
Here
play
we go.
this
Depth down increases the depth. Up decreases the depth by much. Note that your summary does not affect your depth. Submarine will be able to plan its course. Your horizontal position starts at 0. Forward, down, forward, up, down. After following these steps, you have a horizontal position of multiplying these values together. Okay.
I got 4 things: swan, mosquito, leopard, and kangaroo.
So I'm just gonna do if mid that number. Start number 1 number characters. It's find
Why does not know?
space within text. Start num 1 if and then it should be start num length of that plus 1 number of characters could be realistically 2. If equals forward. It is forwards, that's fine. Then I'm going to have row minus 1 column plus this. It's fine. Whatever. Okay.
Special honorable mention MVP.
Then, what is it, backward? Oh no, it's forward. Okay, wait, nope. Okay, that goes all the way down. That's the forward position. 3 equals up. Is that plus that. Actually, should be this would be plus. This would be minus. That didn't work. Row C minus 3 equals up. There we go, that's what it is. Okay. I just effed up. Otherwise, take the number above. Then true, take the number above. Ah! What's happening? What? Up? That? Is that? Ah, frig. Roll down. There we go. That's what I screwed up on. Okay. Go all the way to the very, very bottom. What? Okay, here. Okay. Continue to part 2. Okay, so now I've got to do the exact same thing. But if it's look at value of 10. So then it's If it's forward, okay. So now, this is live aim now. So it's the exact same thing. So I take the same thing as this. 4 is up. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. If it's forward, then you take this multiplied by this plus that, otherwise that. Then all the way at the very, very bottom. The right answer. The final depth. Is that all right? So my depth increases by... Oh, wait, sorry, it should be 6 times. Whoops. That's what it is. I screwed up. That should be it? Frig. Okay, let's double check that's correct. This is aim. That's the amount of moving forward. Yeah, this is right.